Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Sam. All right, so a lot of people have been talking about crypto browser, how you can earn free Bitcoin with crypto browser. Well, I've decided to give it a trial today. There's nothing wrong with getting free crypto. Right now, we have about 17 million Bitcoin. Hope I'm correct. And so few more to go. About 4 million to go to hit the 1 million cap. All right, so crypto browser obviously helps you um, mine Bitcoin with your browser, right? And they have an awesome referral program. This is it. You earn 50%, 15% for the first 5 persons you register, and then 10% keeps going down till it gets to 0.006. Um, with crypto browser, it pays to have friends, right? You can calculate how much income you make. This is the tree, how it works. I think everything here is the same thing here, right, in a tabular form. So crypto browser enables you mine Bitcoin with your laptop, little amount of Bitcoin obviously with your laptop, and basically you can just leave your laptop and let it run for 24 hours and make some cool bucks. Is a cool way of making passive income, right? All right, so I have this downloaded in my system, and let me just fix it and I'll come back. So I just signed into the crypto browser or crypto tab, and I'm syncing it with my account. All right, so this is the beginning of my mining, right? On crypto browser. So currently I've earned nothing here, no dollar, no BTC, no Satoshi. So this is my referral link. I can send to friends and family to register, and then when they register, that's when I start earning. All right, so I believe that let me scroll this down a little bit so you can see. All right, so this is the I think this is the speed, I guess. Affiliate program. I've invited nobody, and I've earned nothing from affiliation, and I can get a boost to make it faster. Alright, so guys, that's that about crypto mining, and so it stays in your browser, and if you have internet and you have good power supply, you can let this run for 24 hours and see how it goes. Alright, so thanks for watching.